Hello foodies! Welcome back to Svedanika the Kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Today's video is how to prepare street style Guntur special stuffed vankaya bhaji. How to serve it with curd and a rainy day snack for kids and elder people, that is beerkaya bhaji. Before starting our procedure, let's see the ingredients. Brinjal, long ones are ideal. Rich curd, cooking oil, chickpea flour, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, baking soda, carom seeds, puffed rice, finely chopped onion, tamarind, peppercorns, and beaten yogurt or curd for serving vankaya bhaji. Let's start our recipe with the preparation of stuffing for vankaya bhaji. In a blending jar, take about 1/3 cups of finely chopped onion. Since I am using hand blender, I am using finely chopped onion. You can use diced small onion too. Add 2 cups of puffed rice in the same jar. The secret ingredient for our stuffing is puffed rice. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now add 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Soak small lemon-sized tamarind and extract juice from it. Add about 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp. Make sure there are no seeds in the pulp. Now add about 15 peppercorns. Blend everything into a fine paste. As I have already told you, I am using hand blender here. If you are using regular blender, you can add diced onion instead of finely chopped onion. Now the stuffing for Guntur vankai bhaji or brinjal bhaji is ready. Look at the texture of the stuffing. The texture should be thick and soft. Now let's get into our actual procedure for making bhajis. In a big wok, add enough oil for deep frying. Now take long brinjal. Wash and dry them before starting the procedure. I got 2 long brinjal here, so making each one into 2 pieces. Slit on one side and keep them aside. We are slitting them to stuff the stuffing which we made earlier. Now we are done with slitting our brinjals. Check the oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add one by one slit brinjals and fry them until soft. Check the brinjal if it is soft. Yes, it is soft now. So let's remove the brinjals out from the oil. You can see the wrinkles on the skin once the brinjal is cooked. Now the brinjals are perfectly cooked. Let's keep them aside to cool down. While the brinjals are cooling down, let's prepare batter for bhaji. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of chickpea flour. Here we are taking large bowl so that our brinjal fits in comfortably while applying batter. Add salt as per taste and a pinch of baking soda. Mix all dry ingredients. Now add about 1 big spoon of hot cooking oil. Mix everything together. Now slowly add water and start mixing our batter. Batter should be of thick consistency. Mix it without any lumps. Look at the batter. The consistency is perfectly fine for bhajis. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder to the batter. Half teaspoon carom seeds powder. Here I am adding carom seeds powder. You can add directly carom seeds too. Give it a good mix. Check for salt. Add it if necessary. Let's keep the batter aside. Let's stuff the fried brinjals with the stuffing that we prepared earlier. Stuff each brinjal carefully and keep them aside. Now the brinjals are ready to prepare bhaji. Now let's prepare ridge gourd too for birakai bhaji. Cut the edges of the ridge gourd. Peel the ridges and skin carefully. Don't trash the peels of the ridge gourd. We can use them for chutney. Now slice ridge gourd approximately half centimeter. Our ridge gourd slices are ready for birakai bhaji. Keep them aside. Now it's time to start frying our bhajis. Take stuffed brinjal and dip it in the chickpea flour batter that we prepared. Let the brinjal be coated well with the batter and transfer it into hot oil for deep fry. Fry them in batches on medium heat. Let it cook on medium heat. Now the bhaji is ready. We'll refry them again. So now take them out and keep them aside to cool down. Now let's refry our bhajis. Refrying them in hot oil gives good texture and color to bhaji. Let's refry all the bhajis that we prepared. Our stuffed vankaya bhaji or brinjal bhaji are ready. Now in the remaining batter, let's add our ridge gourd pieces to prepare our birakai bhaji. Dip each piece in the batter and fry them on medium heat. Carefully add them in the hot oil. These are mild in taste. They don't have any spice in the batter or in the stuffing. Now birakai bhaji stage 1 is ready. We'll refry them again. Let's do our second batch and refry them again. Refrying birakai bhaji. For any chickpea flour recipes, if you refry them, you'll get a good texture and color. Our birakai bhaji is ready. Now it's time to serve hot stuffed Guntur Vankai bhaji. Slit the bhaji lengthwise as shown in the video. You can see the well cooked stuffing. Squeeze lemon on the stuffing. Now stuff bhaji with finely chopped onion. Serve bhaji like this along with the mixed lentil chutney. Recipe for mixed lentil chutney is available in the description box. Squeeze lemon again. Cut bhaji into small pieces. Transfer it into a serving plate. You can serve it as it is with the mixed lentil chutney, or you can serve this with curd. Yes, this is the only bhaji that we serve with curd. If you are vegan, you can replace curd with plant-based yogurt like almond yogurt. Beat curd or yogurt smoothly and add salt as per taste. Slowly top bhajis with beaten curd. Adding curd over the stuffed bhaji with onion gives an amazing flavor and taste. Now, slowly sprinkle some chili powder on the top for additional flavor. Guntur stuffed Vankai bhaji served with curd over top is ready. Enjoy this hot bhaji as an evening snack on a rainy day. You will never forget the flavors bursting in your mouth. Today we have shown you the secret recipe for the most famous street food in Guntur. This recipe is unique in its stuffing and serving too. Look how delicious they are. You cannot stop eating just one. Serve Birakkaya bhaji as a tea time snack. You can air fry these bhajis for much healthier version and completely avoid oil too. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends. Please mention your recipe requests in the comment section. We'll try to make a video soon. Thanks for watching.